Away they go! Devil in Disguise, Carab, Royal Heiress, Reading Machine, Madame Leonora down on the inside, Nose West, Rube Knight, and Madera. Iscarab, followed now by Reading Machine, Madame Leonora is racing third by some 2 lengths. Devil in Disguise racing fourth by some 3 lengths. And Nose West running in fifth by some 2 lengths. Madera alongside Rube Knight by Darrell and Royal Heiress now running at the tail of the field. Reading Machine and Scarab fighting up for the lead. Madame Leonora is racing third by some 2 lengths and a long way back to Devil in Disguise. Rounding the part and Reading Machine by 3/4 of a length. Scarab. Madame Leonora is getting closer in third as they race the final corner. Reading Machine by some 2 lengths now. Madame Leonora is now running in second. Royal Heiress also rushing up in between runners. Royal Heiress, Devil in Disguise on the outside is Madame Leonora and Madera. And hitting the finish line, number 8, Royal Heiress. Devil in Disguise, Madera. Number 2, Madame Leonora and Reading Machine for your Pentafecta.